So this is the room. So it's an eight bed room. Ta-da! So it's morning. So the lights are off. Ano? Last day ko na. Ay, check out na ako. Yan. So I'm on the second floor. And here's the back of the dormital. It is called dormital. Or some will call it hostel. Yeah, nice. So green. Yeah. So we're gonna get, there's a kitchen. I don't know if we're allowed to use it. But that's, wait, it says pantry. Okay. For the linens. So it's a little bit dark because it's a I mean it's boiling. So what I like about in this dormitory is they got separate comfort room, shower room for male and female. Yeah. So I'll get water. So this is the reception area and it's up to 4th floor. What ay tubig? Just still raining. Yeah. See? Woo! Hurry up. Oh, this one is nice. I like this area. They got a restroom outside the dormitory. And I like this. I like the accent toilet. Yeah, there. So green. So refreshing. See? Okay. So it's raining hard. And this is where they got the seat tables if you want to eat from their restaurant. And here, I'll get water from here. Acoustic area. Maybe at night there are some people who sing. I don't know. Never visit this one during night or evening because I'm already sleeping. That's the dormitory. Oh, it's short time. Hotel Boracay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, they got a foot wash station. Excuse me. Yeah. Good morning po. Pabalik na tayo sa room. Tayo mag-early check out. natin yung lobby before tayo umalis. Sakap ng buti. And here's the lobby. Lobby. Yeah. It's a nice place. Here. It's a nice place. They got up to 4th floor, so there are more rooms on the 4th floor. Yeah. So here we are. Our last day. Last day in Boracay. Oh. Now, really, we're gonna go back to room. Oh dear. So, madilim sa part na to, syempre. Tipid-tipid. Tipid sa kuryente. But yeah, that's the dormitory that I stayed in at Boracay. Or in Boracay. Yeah. See you later.
Masyadong ano dito, uso dito ang mga buli-buli sa bata. Ang public kasi, maliban lang sa mga advisor na concerned talaga sa kapakanan ng mga bata.
Apa.
Minsan wala. Lagi paglabas sa room. Kasi wala kasi kami kaya. Bahala kayo dyan mag-away nyo.
Baka sobrang dami ng bata nila.
Dami ng bata. Kaya, dagang naman talaga yung public school.
Apo.
May mga ano lang, may advisor lang na concerned talaga sa mga bata. Yun. Yung main entrance kasi ng Boracay dyan sa Cagban Port, Cagban City Port.
Apa.
Itong Tapisan Port, alternative port ito. Ginagamit ito mga 4 to 5 months a year. Usually itong mga rainy season o habagat wind, malakas. Ano lang yan, mga 4 to 5 months lang. Yung natandaan ko nung pangalan ng buwan na walang letter R.
Na ano?
Yung dito ang schedule. Schedule pag ano yun, ang kasanayan kasi namin yung schedule.
Apa.
Magkakaya yung ano, dita or kairo, tatanong mo kung saan ang schedule. Yung schedule, sabihin yung daon yung bangka.
Apo. Ay, yung bangka naman po dito, 24 hours na.
Oo. Pero kung minsan, kung bida-bida, minsan, naghihintay sila ng kairo, hindi makaalarga. Hindi naman matagal. Hindi na kano, siguro mga 15 minutes.
Apo.
Yung mag-araw, ano yan, tuloy-tuloy din yung
Ano natin? Tampisaan Port. Ay, sige po. Thank you po. Thank you po. At. So, dito daw dadaan. Aklanon worker. Ay, hello po. Dito po ang bilihan ng ticket. Hindi po. Ay, okay. Thank you po. Ah, ang bigat. Pag Aklanon, iba ang bilihan ticket. Pag tourist or taga-ibang lugar, dito ang bilihan ng ticket. Ano ba? Ay, Apo, salam. Thank you po. Ay, excuse me.
Kaya ang plano na bro. Dili ka siya tamay, ano?
Papa. Saan po? Doon po ang ticket. Ay, thank you po. Thank you po. Dito po. Thank you po.
Pamariya pa ka din, no?
Ako na po.
Kuya, ticket po. Lima po. Isang senior, isang bata.
Airport kayo.
Both ticket. Kasama na po yung discount na senior at bata.
Patrick, may utang mo sa kanto. Kano? Di ba na yan, ma'am?
Tatlo isa mo? Oo, isa lang ako. Pinigil ko tatlo. Ay, baka daw yan?
Kasi po lahat.
Pati 100 each, ma'am.
Ay, dito lang po.
Pati terminal. Kasama na yung terminal.
Hindi po doon magbaba.
Hindi na, ma'am. Kasama na yan.
Dito?
Bali 50, ma'am. Terminal 50 ang book. Kailangan resibo, ma'am.
Opo.
Bali 480 lang. Sulat ka ang pangalan mo. Apat yan. Lima dyan. Yes, ma'am. Ilan, ma'am?
Isa lang po.
Airport kayo, ma'am.
Opo.
50, ma'am. Boat terminal with try kayo, ma'am.
With right. Kung boat lang po.
Boat sa terminal, ma'am. 50 sa boat, 50 sa terminal.
50 sa boat. So, 100 po.
Yung white, ma'am. Ayan. Paliwain ka naman yan. Ma'am, bigay na ako ng airport po.
50 sa boat. 50 sa
Ako
boat.
lang, ha? Dalawa yung
Hindi na po ako magbabayad sa... Hindi na po ako magbabayad sa trade doon. Pagkababa ko po doon.
Oo, pag ito ma'am. Bigay nyo na yan, ma'am, sa boat, man.
Sige. Gcash po ako. 100.
Boat lang yan, terminal, ma'am. Ang... Hindi kasama trike dyan.
Ay, hindi po kasama ang trade sa...
Sa 250 kasama trike.
Pero sa boat and terminal, 100.
Boat at saka terminal lang.
Opo, yun lang po ang i-avail.
Ito yung malaki. Ito. Only man.
Kaya no. Ano niya? Tatlo lang.
Pwede ko ay pa.
Tataor ba ako?
Wala, pwede mo naman yun.
Hindi ba ako sa
Last Mulon.
Hagana.
Sila tayo mga.
Dito pong student, isang senior.
Walong discounted. Hindi mga regular mga. Ako sa airport kayo mga. Airport kayo kanina. Yes, 230 yung discounted mga.
Airport din.
Boat and ba naman mga?
Airport lang.
Airport siya. Boat terminal.
100 lang.
Ay, sige. Pag-airport.
Wala rin siya. Sergio. Isa tayo sa isa. Okay naman.
Okay na po, sir. Thank you po. Ah,
Puto namin.
ang sulatan ko. Saan po susulat? Ay, doon.
Ganang ako.
Thank you po.
Pangalan Ma'am Adri. Lang mama. Isa. Kira para sa patar.
Okay na po. Thank you po.
Number sa kuan mo mama ako.
Sige. Thank you. Yeah. So we're going home. Ayaw niya gumana yung ganyan. We're going home. So, ganun. So, maghahanap tayo ng tricycle terminal. Tricycle terminal. Gamamaya.
Minimum talaga sa tricycle pag may mga airport lang. Airport lang po kasi kami. Ano lang, isa dalawa lang.
Ay. Saan ba? Dito ba?
Kung kayo po ay may mga katanungan, kaya yung simulin ng haranas ng lalas na paninigil ng pamasahe. Huwag po mag-abiling magpagtayan sa pinakamalapit na bilan ng bisyo upang agad na marisolba ang inyong problema. Ngayon din, isang munting paalala po sa ating mga namamasada. Sumunod po tayo sa tamang singil ng pamasahe at iwasan maningil ng lapis, lalo na sa ating mga bisita.
Ay, ano ba?
Panatilihan po natin ang magandang imahe ng ating bayan at gawing makabuluhan ang kanilang pagbisita at mananatiling sa isla ng Boracay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon.
Alas 9 pa, alas 9.
Hindi lang pala. Ang late ng airport. Dito. Still waiting for the earliest flight that got delayed.
Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are switched off and batteries removed. The charging and usage of e-cigarettes are strictly prohibited. And for safety reasons, the use and charging of power banks on board are strictly prohibited. Power banks must not be stored in the overhead compartment and they should always be kept with you or stored in your bag placed under the seat in front of you or in the seat pocket at all times. Thank you. Distance your seatbelts to fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap to unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It's normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat, so use it, slip it over your head like this, clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate the life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as it will slow down the evacuation. Life vest is an oral tube for further inflation. The light flips on upon contact with water and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note when the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should it arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight.